Coming up, I'll be making my 5-minute no-cook strawberry syrup recipe and then how I use it to make this gorgeous ice cream dessert. Hello everyone, I'm Denise and welcome to Denise's Final Third. And today I'm in the kitchen going to be showing you how I make my 5-minute no-cook strawberry syrup. Now the reason that I'm doing this right now is because strawberries are in season. I happen to be in Rhode Island and my strawberries are starting to come off, and I also went and got some other ones for this recipe because I didn't have quite enough. So this recipe first appeared, I uploaded it to my blog about a year ago, and a lot of people have used this recipe and liked it, so I decided that I would make a video of it. I'll leave the link to the blog recipe below in the description. And before we get started, if you would be so kind as to comment, subscribe, or like, it would truly be appreciated. Here are the berries that I got yesterday from the local farm stand. As I said, I didn't have enough of my own to make the amount of syrup that I wanted, so I took a quick trip to an organic farm stand just a couple minutes away. I know that they have the best fresh strawberries around, and here they are. They're perfectly ripe, a deep, deep red, and I had a few. And believe me when I say they are juicy and sweet. Now for today's recipe, you'll only need 3 ingredients and a blender. You'll need the strawberries. They don't need to be fresh. You can use frozen. They work just as well. You'll need a sweetener. Today I'm using honey, and a pinch of salt. I'm going to be using some pink rock salt. You'll need a glass container for storage as well. Now also I'm using this little pitcher so that I'll be able to pour it over the ice cream later when we get to eating the ice cream. All right, so the first step to making this 5-minute no-cook strawberry syrup or sauce is, especially if you have fresh strawberries, is to take this off each strawberry. Now I want to say here, everything that I'm working on here is glass, and I'm going to be putting this in glass because strawberries will stain a lot. So that's why I don't have strawberries laying on top of any linen or tablecloth or even a tabletop. So the way you do this is pretty simple. See here, you just sort of pinch this up a little bit and then just twist it. You can see right there, and then you just twist that and it will come out like that. And let's do another one here. Okay, we got one more. Okay, and you can see here what the tops look like, right? And they're on this piece of glass, so nothing gets stained. And then here's our fresh strawberries. And so I think it's time we started making some strawberry sauce. So this is real simple, folks. You just start putting your strawberries in your blender. And it is time now to pour our sauce into the little pitcher that we're ultimately going to use to pour over our ice cream. And then the remainder can go in this beautiful weck jar. Cover it up, and it's perfectly stored. And speaking of storage, I have put in the refrigerator the bigger glass weck jar, and then also this small pitcher. I put that in the refrigerator overnight, and it thickens up a little bit, and that's what I wanted to do with this demonstration today. So I think what we're going to do is put this on a plate and put the ice cream on the plate, and then I'm going to drizzle some of the sauce on there, and then we will just add some raisins and some nuts and stuff to make this super delicious. Okay, so let's get started. Nice scoop. All right, and I'm going to put that right in the center. And I take this and the sauce, and I'm going to drizzle that. Make nice little dots. Okay, we've put our delicious strawberry sauce, no-cook strawberry sauce or syrup. It's been plated, and I'm just going to put some nuts and raisins and whatnot on the plate. And actually, I'm going to give myself a little bit more sauce because I really like this sauce. And then let's give it a taste. This sauce is really delicious. And so simple. All right, folks, that is it for now. My 5-minute no-cook strawberry syrups. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you try out the recipe. 5-minute no-cook strawberry syrup, and let me know how it worked for you. See you next time.